getting your 4,000 watch hour within 7 days is real. Guys, is real, tested and trusted. If you know you are struggling getting your subscribers, your watch hour, this video is for you. This video is for you guys. Don't skip any. I am going to show you how you edit your video, how you can post it to your Restream. Guys, don't post yourself. If you want to Restream, find interesting video that you know that people like to watch. That video will give you your watch hour within 7 days. 7 days. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you will do it. My name is Blessing. In this channel, I do mukbang video. I do YouTube tips and also lifestyle. So if you know you are watching to this extent and this thing is what you like to see on YouTube Street, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you to watch. Okay, I started my YouTube channel last year, 2024. I was struggling with 50 watch hour and 100 subscribers. I was posting, people are watching, but I am not seeing the watch hours. So when I come across Restream, I say, let me give it a try. And it worked for me. My account got monetized just in 2 months. In 2 months. Why 2 months is because I was issued reused content. So I have to wait for the next month to reapply. After reapplying, my account was monetized. So I will show you how you can edit your video to avoid reuse content. If you know the video you upload is not your own, you need to edit it very well, because in YouTube policy they have don't induce. Don't undo. So if you did not edit it very well and you post it, that video, even though you have that video can give you your 4,000, but you're not going to monetize it. So you have to edit your video very well. So in today's video, follow me. I will show you step by step how you can edit the video and the type of video you need to upload. If you do it by yourself, you do funny videos. Funny videos can give you a watch hour. Satisfying videos can give you your watch hours. So in this video, I am going to show you how you will do that so that you will get your channel monetized in 1 month. In 1 month is very easy. Don't mind people telling you don't use Restream. Restream can also help you grow your YouTube account. But when you are monetized that account, make sure you are posting long form videos. Even though people are not watching, keep on posting. One day YouTube will start pushing your videos for people to watch. Just keep on posting. When I started my mukbang channel, I don't even get, even though I have 2,200 views, no watch hour. Watch hour might be 3, 5, no watch hour. Okay, so don't panic. Keep on posting. One day, YouTube will start pushing your video for people to watch. Okay, guys, come with me. Let me show you how you will do it. Let's go. Sound that you are using, some of them are using the sound that is copyrighted, and you will not know you upload it. YouTube will issue you copyrighted, they will issue you reused content, which you will not like to experience. So guys, let me show you how you can download this music. Go to your Chrome app, you type Pixabay. Guys, let's go. Let's type Pixabay. It's already here. Pixabay sound free. Let's use that one. Okay, so guys, it will come out different types of sound for you, but now we are looking for maybe cutting of meat or sawing. Okay, so now we are looking for sawing sound. What you have to do is to come up here. Now you type sawing cutting, it will bring out the sawing sound. Sawing cutting. You search for it, then it will bring out anything sewing cotton. Are you seeing it? So guys, I have downloaded some, so I don't need to download. In case you don't know the free ones, here are the free ones. Anyone that is free sound is free ones. This one too is free ones. Okay, always look at it before you download it. Here is the place you click for download. Okay, so guys, let me show you now. Let's go and download our video. Let me show you how you can edit it to avoid reuse content. Let's go. Then my best app here is InShot app. When you click on the InShot app here, click on the video, click on add. When you click on add, you look for the video that you want to upload. Okay, you click on it, it will take you there. So the first thing you have to do is to remove the watermark, InShot watermark below here. You click on it, it will ask you if you are using pro version. You can click on it, no watching of ads, it will just go straight. But if you are not using the pro version, use the free remover, use it and you are going to watch ads. That's the only disadvantage there. So you click on it, let's click on it. Okay guys, we have removed the watermark. So now the first thing we have to do here, listing and listing very well so that you will avoid reused content. So the first thing you have to do is to add text to your video. Okay, you must add interesting text to this video. So what I will now say is this. I will now say interesting sewing video. Okay, are you seeing it? Interesting, you place it up here. Interesting, drag it to your satisfaction. Okay, it's okay like this. You click on it, then you drag it. Make sure you drag it to the end of the video. You drag it to the end of the video. So the next thing we have to do now is to add our music. Very important. Let's add our non-copyrighted music. So let's click on it. You click on it, save. Then you go to audio. In this audio, click on music. Click on my music. Then this is the music I downloaded from Pixabay. So guys, I'm going to click the first one, Psycho Saw, because this video is all about sawing. Use it. Okay, you make sure it's okay. Read the end of the video. Are you seeing it? So the next thing again you have to do, you click it on save. Okay, if you save it, the next thing you do is to put your video. Keep your video where you are talking. So you come to this place, this is our peep. Click on this. Okay, you click on it. You look for video that you will peep in to it. Okay, let me use one of this video here. Then you drag it to anywhere you want it and position it to anywhere you want it to be. Like now I want it to be this way. Okay, I want it to be this way. So the next thing you have to do is to duplicate it because the video is not wrong. So you have to duplicate it. Let me duplicate the video to meet the video. Okay. Yes, now the video is the same thing with mine. Are you seeing it? So guys, let's play it and see. Copyright issue. Okay, reused content, you cannot get it with this video. Are you seeing it? So guys, then you save the video. Now you have to export it. When you export it, our video is ready to use. Okay, so guys, let me export the video. Okay, converting the video, guys. Let's wait. Good, 100%. Our video is ready to use, guys. As you can see now, it's saved. So we can now go to our gallery and pick it from there. So let's go to our Restream.io. The main D. Let me show you how you can upload your video to Restream and get views. How you can upload and get views, get a watch hour, and also subscribers. Let me show you. I already have the Restream.io in my phone, so I have to click on it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to boot, guys. Good. So guys, you click on new. When it's open, the first thing you have to do is to click on new. Click on new there. Let's wait for it. One more. Where's two more? Good. The first thing you will click here is Restream Studio. Restream Studio. Click on it. Putting everything together, guys. So let's wait. Let's wait for it to put it together so that we can download our video. So make sure that your name is there. Okay? Make sure that you see your name in this place. If your name is not there, you have to type the name. As you can see here now, my own name is there. Okay, so when you make sure that your name, make sure that the video is turned off and also the mic is turned off. Don't turn the mic on or the video off, then you click enter to join. Okay, now we have joined the live stream. So the next thing we have to do here now is to click the three line dots there, guys, then you download your video. Okay, let's click on upload. Okay, then you pick the video that you want to upload. Okay, then you click on done. Let's wait for the download. Let's remove the old one first, guys. Okay, it's downloading, it's processing. So guys, let's wait for it to upload and process. Okay, so that we'll upload the video. It's processing now, so we have to wait patiently for it to process. So that after processing, we can now edit our title and also add the channel that we want to use for this. So let's wait, guys. Do it the right way and the views will come your watch hour within 7 days. You will monetize your account. Okay, good. Our video are finished downloading. So guys, now you have to click on the three dots first. Click on the video, the three dots will come outside. Then you loop the video. Make sure you loop the video to play randomly without stopping until you stop it. Okay, so now we have to go to our channel to set our title and description. Okay, we have to click on that plus sign there, channel, then we'll put our description. Let's click it, guys. Good. Now we'll look for the channel we want to use. You click on it, we click on edit. Okay, when you click on edit, guys, you have to put your title. Let's put our title here, guys. Let's remove it and put new one. So watch me do it, guys. Okay, okay, then most satisfying saw cutting sound, saw sound. Okay, you can put Asmaya there or you can put sound, anyone you like, guys. So the description, you have to put the hashtag that you know will go viral for you. Okay, and after putting all these things, you have to go click save. Save the things. Okay, good, good. So guys, we are ready to go live now. So when you click on go live, there your video will start playing. Make sure you stay not longer than 11 hours. 11 hours highest is okay. If you exceeded to 12 hours, that means all your watch hour is gone, because YouTube is not going to add it to your watch hour. You have to limit your video to 10 hour or 11 hour. Okay, that's the highest you can leave your video to play. And always make sure you comment on other people's comments. Okay, keep your video engaging. Don't just post video and sit down and leave it. When people is commenting, always reply their comment. Okay, so guys, I think we are coming to the end of this video. If you know you watched this end and you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye for now, guys.